Hi guys, Lance Steele from the Maptek Adelaide office. Just going to show you guys a new feature in PointStudio 8, which basically shows the application of being able to extend geotechnical discontinuities to a solid. So basically what I have on my screen here is just two scans taken from the Maptek 3D laser scanner, just of a high wall. It's about a 30-meter high wall. And basically what I've done is captured all the geotech beforehand, just along the high wall. And from there what you can do is you can just create a block around an area for the geotechnical information. But if I just hide that block, some of the applications you can have this for is being able to sort of view your geotech in conjunction to your drill and blast information. So basically what you would do is, with the block in 3D, you would actually go to the geotechnical window on the new ribbon interface and select Extend to Surface. And all you have to do is drag the surface, the block, from your actual view window and select your geotechnical data from the container. And all you have to do is say OK, and what it's done is extended out all those discontinuities to that boundary block. So if I hide that block and the actual two scans, you can actually see quite a fair bit of information. If you wanted to, you could actually bring in the blast block, but that's quite detailed, but it just shows you some of the applications that you can use this for. If you guys have any questions, feel free to contact your local Maptek office, which is available on our website. Thank you.